You want to taste this?
No, I'm in shit.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Popeyes. Why?
Cause it's what?
Fast Food Friday. All right, so I have a dessert. I wanted to try their banana pudding. There you go. And then I have red beans and rice, mashed potatoes. Of course, I have a biscuit. I have 2 legs and a wing. What do you have?
I got the honey, what you call it? Honey.
The spicy honey.
Yeah, some crap. The stuff where they just spicy honey chicken.
The new chicken.
The spicy honey chicken, yeah.
Oh yeah, that is what it's called. That's true.
Yeah.
And then
And French fries.
Cajun fries.
Is it Cajun fries?
That's what I'm saying.
I don't know, it looked like regular French fries to me.
And then I got your little dessert.
Shit, apple pie.
So we are going to dig in, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. And drink some juice.
Look at this. I tell them I want it spice. Let's see if it's spice and honey.
That looks good.
My first time I'm gonna try this. I know y'all tried this already. Probably I did. I don't know if y'all did or not, but I'm gonna try it. It tastes good.
It tastes good?
Yeah. And you know I don't really like the honey like that. It draws my joint. It's so good.
Would you order it again?
I ordered the breast too. It's nice. It's good.
Yeah, normally you get 2. So normally Richie gets a breast and a wing. But they messed up the order in a good way. Gave him 2 breasts, so.
That's a bad start, but this chicken is good. The honey barbecue is nice, man.
You want this for your biscuit? You want me to put some Chick-fil-A sauce right here?
Yeah, I have some already.
Oh, you do?
Small package.
Wow, we're full of Chick-fil-A sauce. When I go to Popeyes, I like to order extra gravy so I can dip my chicken in and put in my mashed potatoes. But the lady was acting up today, so.
Yep. Bad experience.
I was like, whatever.
But they ain't gonna stop me from eating. They ain't gonna stop me from eating. Yes, I got Chick-fil-A sauce with Popeyes like we always do. So what?
We use it until it's done.
Okay. I know you're saying really, but what? Sauce is sauce. We eat both of them.
I wanted you to put it over here so I can eat some, that's why. No, that's why that's sauce.
Oh.
Nice.
Sauce is sauce, right?
But Chick-fil-A sauce go with anything.
Exactly. Yep.
Don't forget, guys, today,
6 o'clock. Don't be late. Or you won't come to the gate. And you won't participate.
I'm excited to try this.
That's new? So, yeah, this chicken is a go.
It's a go.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it's a go. If you never try it, go and try it. It's a go.
And it's not too spicy. I mean, it's not too sweet this time.
No, a little bit. It depends how much you tell them to put on it. But the sauce got a little. It's sweet.
Yeah.
But you can taste. The honey's not over too much, you know. Very good.
But some people's videos, I see they have a lot of sauce, and then some people they have a little bit. You think it's because they tell them to give me a little bit? Maybe.
I told them give me a lot. Because I want to see.
Wrapping?
Because I want to see how it's. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we passing our napkins. That's what we do. Yeah.
This is good.
So how's y'all Friday going, man?
What am I saying?
Damn. I didn't hear no cause I'm trying to taste some of the soda. You ever eat something spicy and then you drink the soda, it burn?
Sometimes I see people do competitions, like challenges, not competition, but challenges. Wait, even competition, and they drinking soda. after they eat like 2 times spicy sauce or.
Yeah.
I mean, it's okay when you eat on a regular basis, but on a challenge,
Yeah.
you gotta drink water. Let's see how this tastes with this.
But you know what? Gotta get it. It's done now. I got a next bottle though. Don't worry. It's coming out soon.
We have Grace on deck, like how we have 2 times spicy.
Got a lot of grace. You know what I'm saying? Grace. You hear that? Okay. But yeah, back to y'all now. How was your day? I said I wasn't gonna talk, right? But I'm still talking. I can't keep my mouth shut. Not you.
For real.
I know you're gonna say something about that. That's what. Yeah.
For real.
Yep. So what y'all Friday dealing with? What y'all eating too? Cause I know y'all eating. Huh? Our fast food Friday is y'all fast food Friday.
For real.
Damn, you ain't playing. You love them stuff.
I know, but I just wish I had a little bit more gravy. That lady acting up, son.
Yeah. That Popeyes is fairly new. When it opened, it was the best Popeye.
Oh man.
Best Popeye. Good service. Who was on point. Then all of a sudden, it got ghetto. Went down the drain.
What the hell?
It went down the drain. And we just opened a new one too. Not too far, but
We forgot about it.
yeah, we forgot about it. So we used to this one, but here we used to go to places when you're new and everything is nice. So you get a couple months. Like damn, this was the same place we're going to?
Yep.
I know y'all could agree with that. Well,
That is true.
we're gonna feel like
Drive a little bit further.
no further. Gotta go to the hometown, you know? But next time, we'll know. You should try that thing with the honey. Oh, you got honey before.
When you guys eat red beans and rice, if you guys get that, do you mix it all up first or do you just eat it the way it is? I'm curious. I'm nosy.
I got pork, right?
So, I do want to say, you hear that dog?
Let's soon get some.
I do want to say thank you guys for all the great compliments about my hair. I appreciate it. And
That's true.
I remember when I wanted this hairstyle.
Alright, where is it now?
You know, so somebody I got your phone now.
So, so when the hair start wrapping up.
And so, oh, so good. I wanted my hair done like that. And I'm kind of picky when it comes to my hair.
That's why you do it yourself.
That's what I do myself.
Not cut yourself. Hold on. Next time when she's doing it, I'm gonna get a little clip and show y'all how she does it. By the time. Go ahead now.
So it's like you want it a certain way, and no matter how much you tell the person this is how I want it, they don't get it. So anyway, I used to go and get my hair done, but I wanted this style. So I was calling around Miami, Fort Lauderdale, you know, Orlando, just to see the prices.
Oh, I know where you going with that, girl.
That was
Tell
like, the prices was like a car payment.
No, real talk.
The
Real
prices
talk.
was like a car payment with bad credit. It was like in the 700s. Okay? The 700s, guys.
No, really, seriously. I said, yeah, I'll do it for you.
I couldn't believe it. The lady said, if you want 12 inch, it's $350. If you want 14 inch, it's $450. If you want it 15, 16 inch, you're looking at $550. Then if you want it longer, you're looking at $8. I said, miss.
If you have bad credit, you can't get that. Yeah, that.
I said, miss, I want to stay married. Okay? Yeah, go and tell my husband, oh, I'm going to get an $800 haircut. I mean, hairstyle. You're mad? So.
They be taxing, you know?
Ooh. So I said, you know what? Let me go on YouTube because that's where it's at. You're gonna learn how to do something on YouTube. You're gonna learn how to be healthy on YouTube. You're gonna learn what food is good on YouTube. YouTube is for everybody. I jumped on that shiggity And I watched a couple of videos. At first, I did it with the crochet, crochet, and I didn't like how it came out, but I wore it. And then the next time, I went ahead and said I'm gonna do it from scratch, meaning like this way. And I did it, and it came out great. I mean, really, really great. And I was like, forget that. I'm not paying on $700. This hair, and whenever I do it, costs me about $50. Okay?
Cost me $50. Go in there, please.
Costs Richie $50.
Thank you very much.
So I was like, no way, Jose. I am not spending no $500, $600, $700.
Yeah.
So I just take my time.
And do it.
Yeah.
Take your time, and it comes out good too. When you take it like about 2 days sometimes. It depends.
Yeah.
What mood you in.
Right. If I get up in the morning and I watch a movie, or several movies, I'll do it. One thing, when I get tired, I stop.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to
Really rush through it.
just do it. Because it takes time. So, that's a little backstory.
You did. Yep. From then, she be doing it herself. You know what I'm saying? And people be asking, where she go? She go here.
Right, Tim?
Oh.
Right on my couch.
Right on the couch. Sit down and do it. Even me asked, I said, how? How the hell you do that and get the back neat like that? And the back is neat. Good parted, everything. I said, how you do that crap? You just do it. You just sit down here and twist and plait. That's the same thing with the dreads up here. Some people don't charge by the how tall it is, and some people charge by the length.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Seriously, you remember when I asked my brother where did he get his hair done before? You remember that? Oh shit, I was about to say, I want to give her everything, all the location. You almost caught me slipping there. So my friend, his hair shorter than mine. I said, yo, his hair was looking nice. I said, how much they charge to do your hair? He said, she charged by the length. I said, okay. So I'm thinking, because his hair short, it's going to be cheap. When the man said nearly $200.
What?
And his hair no longer than this. Like that.
So imagine you're here.
I said, imagine. So he said they charge myself. I said, imagine mine then. I said, okay. Thanks for keeping me informed. Gave me the number. I never go. That's my first day to do my hair. You know what I'm saying?
And I learned how to do that on YouTube also.
Yeah, YouTube. And I don't really get my hair done like that unless we're going out. Special occasion, because where I work in a warehouse, so I don't really have to get my hair done, and I wear a hat.
You wear a hat all the time.
I wear a hat all the time. So it's like if I'm going out, so if you see me with a fresh, genuine cut, that means I'm going somewhere, my first day. Until then, I'm bush up like a Rasta. Yeah. Then 2 teeth, man.
Yeah.
$800. You feel me? That's a lot. Come on, ladies. Y'all know that's a lot, man. I'm a guy and I know that's a lot.
Then she had the nerve to text me and say, "Hey, are you coming? Are you still coming? Are you coming?"
Yeah, you told her, yeah. You told her, yeah. In the next generation.
Yeah.
That's too expensive, yo. You have some people who go pay it, but not us.
And if you pay it, we ain't judging.
We ain't judging.
We just don't got it.
We just don't got it, and we ain't gonna do that.
But even if I got it, I can't see myself. I mean, I would have to be like, I would have to have some good money coming in.
That's
like,
a down payment.
Good money. And it would hurt my soul to do it. I would be looking, I'll be like this.
Yep. Here. And you get it back.
So my thing is,
Yeah.
this is how I am with hairstyles.
Yeah.
How am I with hairstyles?
You're very picky. And you're very tender-headed.
You damn right.
So
You're damn right.
if she go pay money today, if I go pay money today, and she feel like it's hurting her, and she's taking it out.
I'm taking it out. I don't give 2 craps.
Very tender-headed. You take me to know you.
Whatever. I remember one time, I went to this hairdresser, and she always does my hair, but because she knows I'm tender-headed. And why is it that the hairdressers who are tender-headed usually are the ones who braid your hair the tightest? I never understood that. But anyway, she you not yum your biscuit.
Me not like the fries today. Popeye, the fries are not taste good today.
Really? Oh, they need to stop.
Yeah, I don't like the fries today. Popeyes.
That's what I'm saying.
See? It's ghetto.
We may need to stop. We may need to go to the new one now. Because they acting up.
I did enjoy my meal today. I enjoyed the chicken.
And
French fries them.
they fried it because they said, oh, order up. The fries was just made, so I don't understand what they're doing. I'm sorry.
Wait, what are you saying now about when you went to
Try the biscuit. The biscuit was good. Yeah. So she always does my hair, and she knows that I'm tender-headed. So, you know, and then she's Jamaican, so I can talk back and forth with her, and whatever. So she's doing my hair, and I said, wait a minute now. Now, one thing, I'm not afraid to speak up. I said, wait a minute now. You're braiding my hair too tight. This is tighter than normal. And she's like, no, it's fine. She kept on braiding my hair. And I said, this is too tight. This is not gonna work. And she said, so what do you want me to do? And I said, I don't know, but you have any like hair oil and hair grease my scalp for me because it's hurting. Grease my scalp, whatever. Continue to braid my hair, it's still hurting. But it seemed like she's getting more aggressive with it because maybe she's getting annoyed that I'm complaining. Yes, I don't care, it's my money, you know? So I jumped up out the chair and I said, didn't I tell you that it's hurting? Forget it, don't do my hair. Just don't do it, don't do it. I grabbed my stuff, I still paid her, left out there with half of the hair in, got in my car, called Richie, it hurts. You gotta help me take it out. He was like, oh God, here we go again. I got home, I sat down, and Richie helped me cut the hair out.
If I don't play.
I don't care.
My story now.
Oh, Lord.
As I said before, I don't go to the barbershop a lot. Unless I told you, if you was listening, until first they do my hair. And I'm going out. So, every time I go to my barbershop, it's a cool barbershop. We all, you know what I'm saying? Cool. They're funny and everything. Every time I go there, they say, hey, you going to Jamaica? You going out the country? You know why they say that? Because I don't come often over there like that because I don't really get my hair done unless I'm going somewhere. So, last time I went in, I got the genuine. When I left and came home, right? He hooked me up enough. Bob man hooked me up. Sorry, Bob boy hooked me up and make me look fresh, you know what I'm saying? Always make me look fresh. But that day when I came home, since I ain't go there so long, I know he missed my money. And listen.
You know he what?
Missed my money.
Oh, he missed your money.
Yeah. And remember, I only shaved the side of my hair. And to save my side of my hair, you know how much money they charge? $25. They said as long as the shave will go on your hair, that's a haircut. I just do the side as I was seeing the video, just the side, right? Okay. Paid it, I'll give them tip, no problem. So now I came home now. I said, damn, they really missed me over there. So I got the fresh genuine first lady. You see, when I came home. And I looked in the mirror, I said, damn, my back of my head hurt. Because every time I leave the barbershop, I have my own alcohol and my rag. I wipe my hair and stuff like that.
Sasha, stop.
I came home, I said, damn, I ain't know I go to the tattoo parlor. Yo. I said, I went to get a haircut, I went to get tattoo. The reason I said that, my lineup was cut. My back was cut. I said, God damn. They're really mad because I come so long. I said, man, I got a permanent tattoo. But it's gone now, you know what I'm saying? So I thought I went to the tattoo shop instead of the barber shop.
Yo.
It's a quick story, but you know what I mean? Those are my boys. I still go there and support them, you know what I'm saying? But I just don't go there. Where they go, when I go there, they make jokes and acting where I be. Popeyes, I don't want your french fries. French fries, flop me to them, man.
That's messed up. Usually their french fries is like...
What are you looking at?
You want something to know?
But yeah.
I'm gonna try this.
Did you ever have those experiences with me and First Lady had? Getting your hair done or guys getting their cut? I'm saying guys, man, I know the women. Well, all my guys are coming up. Only women. So women don't get haircut or.
You wanna taste this?
No, I'm in my shit.
What it makes you do?
I'm in my shit. She done play.
My mother did the same thing too.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
She went not barbershop. She went to the hair salon and she got braids. And she come home and she said, Shanice and Charnette, come take this out. And we're like, Mommy, you just got your hair done. Mommy, you just got your hair done. She's like, I don't care. Take it out. It's too tight. And she took it right. She said, I'm not going to sit here and torture myself. Take it out. And we took it right out.
Yeah.
This is good.
Good?
It's good.
That's the thing you all get when you go to place them?
Right, I used to go to the buffet.
That's why I even say the name.
I don't go there no more. But it's good.
I hate this data.
I don't know if I would order it again though. I don't know.
Yeah. The chicken is a go. So if you haven't tried the hot honey chicken, go check it out. It's a go.
See, this is why. Let me tell you guys something. This is the main reason why we cook.
Exactly.
Main reason why. Because for one, we know what we like. And for two, we don't want to come on here and complain about the food. We want to enjoy the food.
And make y'all go enjoy when you get it.
And then you guys enjoy your food. And then you guys enjoy us enjoying our food. And you guys have a great day. You know, negativity, it can be even through the camera. You know what I mean? If we're complaining about our food, it can make you feel negative and you don't even realize it until, you know what I'm saying?
It's true.
So that's why we cook our own food. And we do Fast Food Fridays and that's it. But the majority of the time, we cook our own food.
That's why we only have Fast Food Fridays one time.
Yeah. Nah, but the thing about it is that the majority of the time when we have Fast Food Friday, it's really good.
It's really good, yeah.
But if it's not good, we're going to tell you. Today,
they slipping up on that
they
location.
Slipping up. Yeah, we probably go to.
But the chicken was good though. It was very good. Pastor Rich is back now. Okay. Word of wisdom, right? Even if you fall on your face, you're still moving forward. Even if you fall on your face, you're still moving forward. Put it in your own word. Everybody's right. You know what I'm saying? We all win. You know what I'm saying?
I lied.
It's no good.
I will eat it again.
Oh, you eat it again? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy family.
Oh, all right, guys. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye. See you at 6 o'clock. Don't be late.